we're gonna apologize for the cicadas outside because somebody don't want to cooperate with my filming, and it's too nice to not have the windows open. So if you hear some noises in the background, that's what that is. But anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Sephora Play unboxing for July 2018. And if you guys want to see what's inside this month's play bag, then keep on watching. It is the playbook this month, and this is all about the good stuff. This is going to be a cleaner beauty routine is easier than you might think. And these are going to be products that have a ton of natural ingredients, which is always something good for those beauty conscious girls and guys who are looking for something that's good for them and also makes them feel good. When it comes to the play bag this month, it is very basic. Like, this is plain Jane. So let's go ahead and jump inside. So the first item we have here is from Briogeo, and this is the Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. This is definitely like the second or third time receiving this product, and I almost want to even say it's the second or third time receiving it in a Sephora Play. That, to me, it's a product I like, so it's not a matter of like, oh, I'm belly aching because, oh, it's a repeat product. It is something I like, it is something I use, but when I sign up for these subscriptions, I am looking for more things to test out, things that I haven't heard of before. I will do my research, and I will link it down below or even in the blog post reviewing this month's play bag. It's frustrating. It's frustrating when you open a bag up and this is like the third or fourth item. So with that said, it's a great product. Sick of receiving it though. Next inside our play bag we have is from Biossance, which is the Squalane and Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. So this is going to hydrate, brighten, and balance the skin, and it's non-toxic, fragrance-free, paraben-free, and all of that good stuff. So this is going to definitely be something that is hypoallergenic, which again plays off that natural theme of things. I love the aesthetics of this, which we're not basing products on their aesthetics, we're basing on the quality of the product. But ooh, it almost smells like something. And if I tell you what it smells like, you're gonna laugh. It almost smells like tequila. I love gel moisturizers because they give that little bit of a cooling sensation, even if they're not intended to. Gel is just going to keep the face very cool, which is going to be perfect for these really hot days that we've been experiencing. Like, legit, I don't think it's been below 80 since May. This is a brand I have never heard of, but I'm very interested because if it smells like tequila, who doesn't love the smell of that? Me, the following day, does not love the smell of tequila, but during, yeah. All day, every day. Line them up, shoot them down. Next inside our play bag we have here is from Korres, and this is the Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Oil, so another skincare product. I have tested Korres. There was that yogurt, the Greek yogurt facial cleanser I received from a Sephora Play that I did end up liking. A little nervous because we know I don't love the smell of rose, and I can only assume that this is gonna smell like rose. Smells like rose. It's supposed to be an ultra concentrated vitamin C oil that brightens even skin tone and reveals smoother and younger looking skin. So I have been testing the Derma E vitamin C serum, and I have been a fan of that, and I have noticed my skin does look a little bit more brighter and awake during, you know, when I put it on in the morning. This is the 20-year edition, so that means that this has been around for a while. I can maybe see why this is something that has been sticking around for long enough. And yeah, a brightening oil, face oils, I don't normally incorporate, but I'm always down to try because, of course, who doesn't want to have that luxurious skincare routine in the morning? So I'm definitely excited to try this out. The rose smell doesn't smell that overbearing, and we'll have to see when it comes to testing it out. Next inside our play bag here, what the hell? We have here from Algenist, and this is the Genius Liquid Collagen, and this is what the test tube looks like. There's collagen in there. It's gonna like fill and plump up the skin. Oh, I don't know, it's confusing. Ooh, it smells really good though. Let's go ahead and hit our playbook for this because I don't really know what liquid collagen is gonna do for us, but let's go ahead and take a look. This is more or less an anti-aging product, which now at 25, I really don't notice a ton of wrinkles or worries in my face, at least yet. I do have some smile lines. I do have a little bit of something going on around my eyes because I do squint a lot because your girl's blind. She can't see half the time. I'm interested with like the actual like beads inside of it. I don't know if that's like the liquid collagen, but yeah, I'm always down to try, you know, new products, and especially things that I don't normally use for myself. So that could be maybe something we start incorporating into a routine. We have a lipstick from Tarte Cosmetics, and this is in the shade color Salt Life. And ooh, girl, I love these colors. I would swatch for you, but obviously I have something on my lip right now, so we're not gonna go ahead and do that. Always super skeptical about these Tarte little baby lipstick samples. Every single one of them. And I'm talking in any play bag, any subscription, anytime I received a small size Tarte Cosmetics product like this, it always breaks. So I'm super scared to try it out, and I want to swatch it, but I don't want to swatch it for you guys. So I'm going to do like a baby swatch here on the back of my hand. Now this shade is so pretty. This is like my preferred color, and of course, like, I've recently discovered that your girl's got too many shades like this, but I have tested a formula like this from Tarte in the past, as I mentioned, you know, because I've experienced bad things with them. I can't remember what color shade it was, but I do really like this. It felt really creamy, lightweight, hydrating on the application, and I'm pretty sure I have tested this out before. I'll be sure to link wherever I tested this, because again, I'm like, this is a memorable packaging component, and I definitely have tested this before. Definitely have tested that out, and within the last year, I would think, since the life of the blog. So I will be sure to link that and try it out again, because again, with growing and testing out products, you learn to fall back in love with things, or learn maybe why it didn't work out the first time. So yeah, I'm excited because that color is really pretty and I love it. So definitely down for that. And then the last thing inside our play bag this month is another thing from Tarte Cosmetics, and this is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. And I actually already own this. I received it in like a birthday gift from Sephora a couple years back, and this is probably one of my favorite go-to shades for a blush when it comes to wanting a little bit more pigment than my usual peachy tones. There was a protective cover on that. This is a favorite of mine. I have actually posted it in a favorites video in the past, so definitely a fan. I don't need a new one right now, but this could be something that I either stockpile or give to a friend so she could also fall in love with it. So yeah, definitely not gonna complain about that, even though it is something I do previously and have already owned. That was everything that was inside my Sephora play this month, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content, and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I get new play boxes. So this month, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't really know how I feel about it. I think on a first impression, receiving that Briogeo product, which I feel like is the only thing that I'm getting in subscriptions, like repeat throughout the board of all three, it's a little disappointing, but once you get past that and then you get into the actual natural products in there, it is exciting. There's a lot of things in there that I don't normally use in my routine now, but it's not to say that they can't make a lasting impression, and I do continue to use them. But I think on a first overall, I'm going to give this month's box, I'm going to give it a C. There's not a lot of redeeming things in there because a lot of them are repeat products or things that I don't really know how to use on a first impression, but I will be sure to do a full blog review for you guys over at the blog, and you guys can check that out at Lyfe with Sarah or at sarahlock.com. 2 H's, 2 K's. I'll also be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. So yeah, with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and bounce on out of here. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care, love you always, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.